Whenever we pour acid in water, it dissociates into H plus ions. Ions I have told you charged particles. So acid dissociate into H plus. H plus means positive ion, that is cation. And whenever base is poured in water, it dissociates into OH minus ion. That is minus means it's charged particle ion only but negative charge. So it is clear. Now we will see pH scale.
pH scale is like a scale we use, okay? Every scale is having a starting point and a ending point, है ना? Yes. So starting point start at 0 and ending point end at 14. In between 0 to 14, let's take here, there is 7. Yes, 0 to 14, the middle will be at 7 only. Yes. Now, this 7 stands for neutral. Neutral means neither acid nor base. Like water, it is a neutral. It is neither acid nor base. So this is neutral at 7. Yes. Below 7, from here below 7 till 0, it is acid, and after 7 till 14 it is base. Yes. So from 0 to 7 it is acid and 7 to 14 is base. Now if we see here, after 0 we will have 1, we will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if any substance come like in the range of 1, 2, they are very strong acid, isn't it? They are very strong acid. And if any substance come in the range of like 5 and 6, that is weak acid. So generally strong acids are like HCl will come here, H2SO4, HNO3, nitric acid, and here weak acid, acetic acid, CH3, COOH, oxalic acid, malic acid. So these all will come in like under weak acid. Clear? Same with the base. So here 7 is neutral and from 8 to 14 it is a base. If we are taking this, if any substance come in the range of 13, 14 or 12 also, it will be a strong base. And if it come around like 8, 9 or 10, it will be a weak base. Strong base like sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, this will come under strong base. And weak base we will have ammonia, sodium carbonate will come under weak base. Like if you get 3 beakers, okay, A, B and C, and in all the beaker a liquid is there. how you will judge, okay, how you will judge which container consists of acid and base, which consists of acid and base. And after judging whether it is acid or base, you need to also judge whether the acid is strong or weak. Same with the base. Base is strong or weak. So this is difficult to judge. How we will judge? This is by some reaction and all. Yes, we need to know this. Yes. So for this, a pH scale has been designed. Okay, a pH scale is there which help in deciding and identifying that whether the substance is acid or base, and if it is acid, it is strong acid or weak acid. If it is a base, it is strong base or weak base. So now we will see pH scale.
This is our pH paper, top one, yellow one. Yes, and this is pH scale. You can see the numbering that start from 1 and end at 14, which I have already explained you that it start with 1 and end at 14. Yes. So this pH paper will be helping us in testing the solution. So this is a pH scale which I have already told you that they start at like 1 and end at 14, and in the between you can see the 7 number, that is neutral. So whatever the solution that is neutral, it will show green color on pH paper. You have seen pH paper? Yes. So whenever you will dip that pH paper in water, it will show green color. Green color means neutral. And if you like dip in like acid substance, it will show red or oranges. So this is pH paper. Now come on, we will dip in some solution. So this is the solution. So I am dipping here the pH paper, and you can see like the color changes is taking place. Yes, the purple color we can see. Yes, so now what we need to do? We need to match it in the pH scale. Come on, we will match. Now see, pH scale is there from 0 to 14. We will match, and the number is 12. It's matching with the number 12. And 12 we all know, like after 7 to 14 it is base. So 12 is a strong base only, like 12, 13, 14. So now we can like identified the solution is basic solution and a strong one. Yes, so like this way only we will be testing all the solution. Like here different solutions are there, whether they are acid, base, strong acid, weak base, strong base. So everywhere we have dipped the pH paper, and we see the different colors. Now what we need to do? We need to take out all the pH paper out, and what we will do? We will match with the pH scale. So now we have taken out all the pH paper. You can see somewhere purple, somewhere green, orange, and so these colors are there. Now come on, match it with the pH scale. Now my first one is, it's matching with 6. 6 is acidic and that is weak acid. Got it? Thank you.